Welcome back, friends. I'm Aditya Garg again. So this video is about reducing a matrix to a low reduced form. So we get started with, and I've already created a matrix in MATLAB. So the next step is first start with the variable a, and we'll interchange the first and the second row. So for that, we'll have to use the curly bracket, and within it, we'll place the square brackets, selecting the rows we have to interchange. So we have to interchange the second and the first row. Then we close the square bracket and placing a comma and a colon. Then after the curly bracket is closed, we put an equal to sign and again the variable name. Again the curly brackets, then the square brackets, and within the square brackets this time we'll keep the order of the rows reversed, so it would be 1 space 2 ending with a comma and a colon. So this would interchange the rows 1 and 2. So let's check if it does that. So here we have it, our rows have been interchanged. That was 3 1 2 5 was the first row. Now it is the second row, and the second row has been placed to the first row. So now I'll put a semicolon here so that our compiler doesn't all the time print the same output again and again. Moving on to the next function, we subtract the second row elements from 3 times the first row elements. So that would be done by using a 2 comma and a colon equals to a 2 comma colon minus 3 times 3 into a 1 comma colon. So this would subtract the second row elements from 3 times first row elements. So here we get this, which is quite correct, I suppose, and again a semicolon to hide the output. Next we subtract the third row elements from 4 times the first row elements, so that would be a 3 comma colon equals to a 3 comma colon minus minus 4 times a 1 comma colon. So all these procedures we are doing to convert the matrix to a low reduced form. That would be like the first element of the second row and the first and second element of the third row should be 0. So the next step would be just subtracting the third row elements, a 3 comma semicolon equals to a 3 comma semicolon comma colon minus the second row elements, that would be a 2 comma colon. So that would give us the reduced form. So here we have it, that is 1 2 minus 1 and 2. In the second row we see the first element is 0, and in the last row we have 0 and 0 and 0 and 0. So that's the row reduced form for the matrix. And here you should note that whichever row you have to use, you place first before the comma and then a colon to denote the whole column. So that's it. Thank you.